So the question is, when you have a 3-ball tennis ball can, which is bigger? The height of this can, which is, of course, about 3 tennis ball diameters high, right? Sure, there's a little bit of extra space in there. Or the distance around the can. Since it's a circle, that's basically the circumference. Which of those is bigger? So I'm going to do this with just a strip of paper, right? I'm not even going to measure it in centimeters or inches or anything like that. So I'm going to take a piece of paper, pretty easy to wrap around the tennis ball can, and I'm gonna mark where the circumference would be with a pencil. Oh, not an X-Acto knife. Dangerous. Okay. So I'm gonna mark it here. Let you see it. All right, so there's the circumference length. I'll even write it on there. Riveting. Okay, right, so from the edge there to that line, where's the camera? Circumference. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for the height. So I will put this even or flush with the bottom on my table there, and then mark off where the height would be on the can. Okay. And then here's that line. I'll even write it just like I did before. You can see the difference. So we could see that the circumference, the distance around that can is a little bit bigger. Why is that? That's weird, right? That's weird. Probably unexpected. And it has to do with pi, which is, of course, about 3.14159, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so if the diameter of this can is it's approximately, there's some space here, 1 tennis ball diameter. Remember, and you'll see this further in the lessons, that the circumference of a circle is the diameter multiplied times pi, which is a little bit bigger than 3, right? So, in other words, this distance around here, the circumference, is a little bit bigger than 3 diameters, right? And that is the reason why the tennis ball can is a little bit bigger than the height. And of course, it only works when you have a tennis ball can that's got 3 balls in it.